Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. How are you today? Как дела? У меня замечательно. Today I'm going to share with you imitations of sounds in Russian language like тук-тук, ням-ням, хлоп-хлоп.
Кап-кап, тук-тук-тук.
Before we start, make sure you're subscribed so we get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's start. Поехали! And let's begin with the first sound. Tss means quiet. Stop talking. Tss. What do you hear? I hear хлоп, хлоп. Хлоп, хлоп. Бу-бу-бу-бу-бу-бу-бу-бу-бу-бу-бу means talking in a quiet and indistinct way. For example, your neighbors, when they are talking, you can hear just boo-boo-boo-boo-boo-boo-boo. Хрум, хрум. Хрум, хрум. Хрум, хрум. When somebody eats something crunchy, in Russian we hear хрум, хрум. Ням-ням. Ням-ням. The sound of eating something tasty. Or when you see something tasty, you can say ням-ням. 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 Фу. Say this when something smells bad. Фу. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. What's this? Yes, it's a watch. In English we say knock-knock. In Russian we hear тук-тук-тук. Also a heart makes tuk-tuk-tuk-tuk. Top, top, top. You make these sounds when you walk. Шлеп, шлеп. You will hear this sound if you tumble or drop something. Wow, 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 wow. This is a sound baby is making. Wow, wow, wow. I hear a train. Toot-toot. And the car. Би-бип. Би-бип. Буль-буль. Буль-буль-буль-буль-буль-буль-буль. Pouring water from a bottle. Буль-буль-буль-буль. If you don't turn the tap off completely, you will hear at night Kap, 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 kap. Ha 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 ha. Or he 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 he. What am I doing? Yes, I'm laughing. Апчи! Апчи! Будь здорова. Yes, I'm sneezing. Апчи! What did you hear? In Russian we hear чмок, чмок, чмок.
Или вот это вот. Ну все, до вечера. Чмоки.
That's all for today. I hope this video was useful. Feel free to write your example in comments below. What interesting and unusual sounds you have in your language? Let me know in comments below. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Чмок!